Every year, millions of students fail exams, not because they're not smart enough, but because they don't understand why they get things wrong. Current AI tools either give them the answer, which kills learning, or just say, "Incorrect, try again," which kills motivation. We built ExamSimulator, an AI-powered learning platform that uses Gemini 3's deep think reasoning to diagnose exactly why a student is confused, then dynamically generates a personalized learning plan to close that gap. First, students or teachers can generate exams from any content. Paste a URL, upload a PDF, or describe any topic. Gemini 3 Flash generates structured questions with multiple difficulty levels using structured output schemas, not just simple prompts. Each question is tagged by difficulty, topic, and cognitive level, from recall to application to analysis. Now here's where it gets interesting. Watch what happens when a student gets a question wrong. The student chose Einstein's mass energy equivalence instead of V equals IR. Instead of just saying wrong, our cognitive companion activates Gemini 3 Pro's Deep Think mode, thinking level high. It generates multiple hypotheses. 85% probability this is a fundamental knowledge gap. The student confused physics formulas. 50% chance of a broader misconception about categorizing scientific laws. Only 15% it was a careless error. This isn't a canned response. This is Gemini 3 performing live multi-hypothesis diagnostic reasoning, and we're making that thinking visible to the student. Then it generates a targeted learning plan, specific concepts to review, helpful mnemonics, and Socratic hints that guide without giving the answer. But we go further. Based on the diagnosis, Gemini 3 uses code execution to dynamically generate interactive learning content. For this student who confused Ohm's law, Gemini writes and executes Python code to generate a visual showing the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance, making the abstract concept tangible. Every learning module is unique, generated on the fly for each student's specific gap. This is not a pre-built content library. It's dynamic, personalized education. Students can also upload photos of handwritten work or textbook problems. Gemini 3 Flash's agentic vision analyzes the image. It can zoom, crop, and annotate using code execution to identify exactly where the student went wrong. All explanations are grounded with Google search, real sources, real citations, building real trust.